Do you know the story of self-selling? Start by sharing your content. Journey of ordinary to extraordinary begins by sharing your content to wider audiences. Stop making content for views, like and increasing followers. Instead of that, start beginning someone who speak about the subject and be genuinely interested in knowledge sharing. Make content on social media platform and stay consistent and authenticate. It is not about number of likes you get to your post. It is all about number of lives you change via your content. When you write a hyper content, you attract idiot. When you give tangible solution, you attract achievers. Create the content in the language that is understand by your audiences. By sharing insightful content, you can position yourself a thoughtful leader in your field, enhancing your credibility and influence. So that is the impact you can create by having your own content. Let's see what all other things are there as part of content creation. What is content writing? Content writing is a process of writing and publishing written content for a variety of purpose, including marketing, education, and entertainment. It is your choice for what purpose you want to write your content. And then when you grow in your career, you need to write various emails. So that's where your content writing skills are very important. You need to master the documentation practice to provide your content to audiences. So documentation at any place, whether it is internal documentation of your organization or you want to publish something externally outside your job. So in both cases, your documentation practices plays very important role. Leaders are readers. You can enhance your content writing skill by reading about your niche and micro niche skills. It will give you plenty of variety of content via reading on that topic. Either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. So again, when you start your journey as a content writer, don't give too much emphasis on a quality and what kind of content you are putting. Just be genuine. You want to share something with your audiences and help them. That should be your purpose. Start with that mindset and slowly you will keep on improving. So again, I have given very good example here. So there is difference between showing and telling. So telling what it says, I am result oriented, organized when leading a team. While showing what it says, I led a team to complete 2 agile sprint in a month. I am good at planning and thinking strategically. I executed strategic plan that resulted in 25% more sales. My empathy and coaching make me effective leader. Under my mentorship, team created an award-winning product and helps save lives. So this is the difference between telling and showing and achieving the actual result. So your content should be more on showing side rather than just telling and guiding side. So where you need to publish your content. So generally there are 2 types of content when it comes to IT field. First one is technical content, second one is non-technical content. It could be soft skill related with management or personal stories. Those could be the form of the content when it comes to the IT field. Now let's see what format you can publish your content. The first one is text. So it can be your ebook, cheat sheets, book, code, program or post. That is the format you can use for text publication. So when it comes to the images, you can show your architecture diagram, process flow diagram, graphical cheat sheets, framework. These are the things by which you can publish your content in the form of image. And when it comes to the video, it is technical course, issue fix, career experiences, vlog, session oriented. I mean, you can start some series where you are interacting with the person, suppose who is very good in AI/ML, and you are sharing his experiences, his knowledge via interactive session, via that meeting. So that's where multi-host format in the form of video. It is effectively used by many people on YouTube channels. Audio, it is again same as that above, but only thing, instead of being on the face side, you will be on audio side. So that is about publishing your content and its type. Now coming to latest greatest thing about content writing, that is AI tools. So all of you know that right now ChatGPT and Google Bard is very famous. So you can always leverage these 2 platforms. But again, when it comes to the ChatGPT and Google Bard, they are using some AI/ML model internally. And in order to fetch the right potential of ChatGPT and Google Bard. You need to query the right input to these AIML charts. And that's where prompt engineering plays very important role. So right now, if you really want to enhance your career from future point of view, you need to learn very important skill, that is prompt engineering. So you can refer this link https www.promptingguide.ai to enhance your prompt engineering skills. Please download content writing metrics for your reference so that you will get better idea what kind of content you need to write down. Please mark done once you go through that content writing metrics book. Please put your ideas in the comment section what type of content you are planning to create from that content matrix or even outside that content matrix. See you in the next video.